Hello and welcome. I'm going to be answering NECO 2019 Commerce Objective Past Question 3. Consular invoice is meant to prevent understatement of prices and A. Ensure correct payment of custom duties. B. Ensure timely delivery of goods. C. Encourage prompt payments for goods purchased. D. Show the country from which the goods originated. E. Show the country to which the goods have been consigned. So what we are looking at here is a consular invoice. So one of its function has been given to us, which is to prevent understatement of price. So what is another function of the consular invoice? Now, the consular invoice is a document certifying a shipment of goods and shows information such as the consignor, consignee, and the value of the shipment. Now, also among the importance of the consular invoice, one of its importance is that it helps to speed up the process of importing goods. And in countries which make use of a consular invoice include Nigeria, Australia, New Zealand, Iraq, etc. So it helps to speed up the process of importing. Now, option E, or option B rather, says ensure timely delivery of goods. Now, timely delivery of goods, that is making sure that the goods are delivered on time, goes hand in hand with a faster importation process. So the faster or earlier the goods are imported, the more timely the goods are delivered to where they are supposed to be delivered. So option B, ensure timely delivery of goods, is one of the functions of the consular invoice. So option B is the correct answer. So please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Thank you.